Well, I have to say that was quite refreshing. I've never done that before. I've never mowed the lawn barefoot. Big thanks to Jason G for the recommendation for getting this new trend started. I'll link his channel in the description. He's doing really good things and he's got some good content and his lawn looks great. So check the link for his channel down in the description. I really enjoyed that. It's nice to just take off your shoes, enjoy the fruits of your labor. We work so hard and we put so much time into our yards that sometimes we forget to just slow down and enjoy it. And that's exactly what I did in my front yard just now. Take my shoes off, the grass feels super soft, and on a hot day like this, on a warm day like this, it's just refreshing. Really enjoyed doing that. If you haven't mowed your lawn with your shoes off, bare feet, take your shoes off, take your time, enjoy the mow. Cherish the moment. That was great. I'm probably gonna do that again, but really enjoyed doing that. That was a lot of fun. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.